In this video, we're sharing a free app script to help you fix your Google Drive storage issues. First, open Google Sheets and rename the file as you like. Then, go to the top menu and click on the Extensions button. From the drop-down, select App Script. This will open the Google Apps Script Editor. Rename the project, then head to the blog link provided in the description and click the Download Free Google Apps Script button at the bottom of the post. Copy the code from the blog and paste it into the app's script editor. You'll also need to paste the accompanying HTML code. Once you're done, save a script and run it. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions. After that, the script will display all duplicate files in your Google Drive directly in the Google Sheet. A sidebar will also appear, allowing you to select and delete all duplicate files with one click. And that's it. Your Google Drive is now free from duplicate files and ready for more storage.